Hi, welcome to another episode of Cruising in the Kitchen. Today we're going to do a quick overnight oats that you can do the night before and eat the next day. But nutritious, easy, and fast. So here's the mise en place. Here's everything we need to make this. A cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, a cup of milk, and a cup of yogurt. And this milk can be any kind of milk, almond milk, whole milk. This is 2% milk. It can be any kind of milk. This can be fat-free yogurt, any kind of yogurt. This is just regular plain yogurt. You could use the non-dairy yogurts as well, and a non-dairy milk, and then this becomes vegan. Right now it's not vegan. But anyways, so let's just put this together real quick. Everything goes in the bowl. And we get 2 tablespoons of maple syrup we're going to throw in there too. Some overnight oats don't use the yogurt, but it's a nice tang and richness, which I think you'll like. And 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And this is all you got. This is all there is to it, and we're going to wrap it up and put it in the fridge overnight. And it gets nice and smooth and soft. The oats get super soft. The chia seeds puff up. And then you have all kinds of ways to eat it. You can eat it like that, or you can put some toppings on it. I recommend trying a few toppings. You can always try like cut up bananas and a little peanut butter, chopped up nuts, any kind of berries, fresh fruit. Throw it on top, throw some toasted nuts on. A lot of varieties on the toppings. And once this puffs up and sits overnight and the chia seeds swell up and the yolks get swelled up, it'll be a nice creamy texture. And we'll show you a picture of that the next day. And we'll show you some suggestions on how to serve it. Like I said, all these different toppings. But that's it. You cover that, you put it in your freezer, and you have something to eat the next morning. This was a cup of oats. They say that half a cup of oats feeds 1 person. I say it feeds 1 to 2, depending on how much you want. It's very heavy. It's very filling. So depending on how hungry you are, this is somewhere between 2 and 4 servings. So we're going to put plastic wrap on. We're going to throw it in the fridge. We'll come back the next morning, take a picture of it, and we'll show you. And that's it. Overnight oats, sometimes called mush. Really good. Very healthy, very filling, get your day going, and plus you have all the varieties of what you want to put on top of it afterwards. Super good. Give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.